Hello guys, and welcome back. For today's video I'm using cotton yarn and a 3.75mm hook. I'll be showing you the grit stitch. So we'll be starting with a slip knot, and you're going to chain any even number. Any even number for as long as you need it. So I just chained 16. We're going to skip the first loop on our hook and single crochet in each chain till the very end. You'll end with an odd number because we skipped the first chain. So here's what row 1 looks like complete. We'll then chain 1 and flip our work. In this first single crochet, we'll go in and make a single crochet. In that same stitch, we're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through the remaining 2. We're then going to skip a stitch, and in the next one we're going to do the same thing. A single crochet, and then a double crochet. And we will repeat this for the rest of this row. So skipping 1, and then single crochet, and then a double crochet, skip 1, and I'll meet you at the end. I'll meet you when you just have 2 stitches left. Here I am at the end of row 2. Here's what it looks like. I have 2 stitches left, and I will be skipping 1, and in the last one I'm just going to make 1 single crochet. So no double in this last one ever. For row 3 we chain 1, and this will be our repeat row. It's pretty much the same thing, but we're not really going into the single crochets anymore. We're going into this row, so it's considered our repeat row. So I chained 1, I'm going to flip, and then always in our first single crochet we make a single crochet and then a double crochet. We skip 1, which is our double crochet. So we'll always be going into the singles. So skip a stitch, go in the next, and make a single and then a double. Skip in the next stitch, a single, and then a double. And I'll meet you when you get to the end of this row. We'll just repeat this. Here I am at the end of row 3. I have 2 stitches left over. I will skip 1 and just single crochet in that last one. I'll chain 1, flip, and repeat that row till you're at the length you want. I'm going to add my rows, and I'll come back and show you what this stitch looks like when it's complete. Okay, you guys, and so here is the pattern done a little longer. I added a different color, making a scarf for a child, my child. It's a really pretty stitch, just kind of more textury, very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!